Okay, you think men like younger women simply because they'll put up with more BS than older women?
Yes. It's an inexperience thing.
It's an inexperience thing?
Yeah, like I'm talking about men that specifically are like, oh, I want a 18 to 20-year-old when they're like 35 to 40 years old. What do you have in common with an 18-year-old? And then they say, yeah.
You don't think it's based in like biology or evolutionary psychology,
I don't at all.
even just a little bit?
Why?
Wait, hold on. You don't think that there's any attraction triggers in both sexes that have an evolutionary or biological basis?
No.
None?
I mean, sure, a little, but I don't think that a 35-year-old man has anything in common with an 18-year-old, and I think it's sick.